How can a slow oxygen sensor prevent a monitor from being completed on a secondary air injection system? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free trial, visit Mitchell1.com.
Hey, this tip comes from the Mitchell 1 SureTrack database. This one involves a 2007 VW Beetle with a 2.5-liter engine. The technician working on the problem, well, he couldn't get the secondary air monitor to reset on the vehicle. Everything was working properly. The fan came on, the tubes were hooked up, the relay was working properly, but that monitor would not complete on the vehicle. So what was the solution? Well, he crowdsourced his issue with the secondary air monitor. What did he come up with? Well, the SureTrack community came up with the oxygen sensor being the problem. If the oxygen sensor was just a little bit slow, a little bit off, the ECM could not see those subtle changes in the air-fuel ratio that the air pump would make. So it couldn't complete that monitor because it couldn't verify that it was operating properly. This is a great example of crowdsourcing your problem with two unrelated components to get a vehicle back on the road and get that monitor to complete. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.